Hi there, hi everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper of it's Wednesday, August the 24th, 2022. We have here three regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the binary we have here, the medium Sudoku we have here, and the killer Sudoku we have here, aka Sudoku Mix. And in this daily newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Those puzzles, 7 extra puzzles, are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. Look, Wednesday, August the 24th, yes, 2022. And we have here also a tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with 1 star, and the binary. And those puzzles, I'm not interested. So, total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Half of them I will solve. 4 puzzles. And I have also these 3 puzzles, the regular puzzles. But what is the news of today? Well, the news of today, well, let me show you. Well, it's been a half year ago that the war has started in Ukraine, and it's changed the world. Yes. Half year, yeah. It's today actually war day number 182. 182 days ago, a half year ago, the war started in Ukraine. And everything is changed, yes, in the world. Anyway, let me start with the first puzzle. The first puzzle, a binary number. This will be number 5062. And what kind of binary puzzle is this? Let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's a 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row, there are always 5 O's and 5 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Alright. Double O. Here one, there one. Double O. Here one, there one. We have a double 1 here. Here no, there no. A double 1 here. Here no, there no. Double 1 here. Here no, there no. Double O. Here 1 and there 1. Double 1. Here no, there no. Double O. Here 1, there 1. Double 1. Here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Double O. Here 1, there 1. Double 1. Here no, there no. Double O. Here 1, there 1. Double O. Here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O. Here 1, there 1. Double 1. Here no, there an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1. Here no, there no. Double O. Here 1, there 1. Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is number 5. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. Alright. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Then I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, and the fifth O. So these 2 boxes should be a 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. And I think the fifth one should be in one of these three boxes. If I place the one there, the fifth one, then we have 3 O's in a row in the second row. Not allow one of the rules. So this box should be definitely an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place number 5 here, the fifth O, in the last column, then we have 3 ones in a row in the last column. Not allow one of the rules, so this can mean O, this should be a 1. Then, let me see. Where's the opening? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Here we have also 4 O's. If I place number 5 here, then we still have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be O, this should be a 1. If I place number 5, the fifth O here, then we still have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allow one of the rules, so this can mean O, this should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is number 5. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 ones. Alright. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Alright. Here we have 4 ones. If I place number 5, the fifth one here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules. So this can be 1. This should be an O. Double O. Here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. If I place number 5 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. How about here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's. If I place number 5 here, the fifth O, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allow one of the rules, so this can mean O, this should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. Yes, correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Okay. I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, the third O, fifth O, fourth O, and the fifth O. Yeah, so this box should be definitely a 1. Okay, double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. And the final number here should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. The O. The rest are O's. Yes. The 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Finish in 9 minutes. Great. Binary. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second puzzle, regular puzzle, the Sudoku Medium. Until then, bye bye for now.